In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to disable the search box, speed dial, and clear search suggestions on the Opera browser. This is going to be the latest update, so I want you to watch my video completely till the end because I'm also going to give you a bonus tip through which you could block all ads on the Opera browser while you're surfing the internet. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel Signatech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're not, this is definitely going to cheer you up and make your life more easy, because this is going to be an update for a very old video of mine on the same topic. There are a lot of features that have been changed on the Opera browser, so I needed to give you guys an update. So this is it. So the first thing is, let me show you how to disable the search box on the Opera browser. Very simple and easy. You just open the Opera browser and then you click on the settings icon out here. You got a drop down menu. You scroll right down and you click on go to full browser settings. Get to this page, click on browser, get directed to this part, and then you just toggle this to on. Okay, just put this on and your search box vanishes. Okay, it's not there anymore. Now let me show you how to disable the speed dial on the browser like this, so that you could have a clean interface. Very simple. You just click on the menu icon, drop down, you scroll down, click on go to full browser settings, click on browser, get directed to this part, and just put this on hide speed dial. Once you do that, you're not going to see the speed dial out here on the Opera browser anymore. Next, let me show you how to disable search suggestions, because in the older version of Opera, you would have had to go to settings out here and disable it from here, and then suggestions wouldn't pop up anymore, but that isn't working. So what you need to do is go to settings. They have a deeper settings in place right now, so you need to do this. Once you're on the settings page for the enhanced address bar settings, you just disable this, and you also ensure that you click on browser and ensure that your speed dial suggestions are also disabled. Okay, so once you ensure these two things, the next time you are trying to type something on Google, okay, you are just going to be able to type and no suggestions are going to pop up like how it used to be before. And now let me show you how to block ads on the Opera browser. You click on settings, you scroll down and you go to full browser settings, get directed to this page and just do a search for ads. Here under privacy protection, just switch this on, block ads and surf the web up to 3 times faster. Put this on, and if you want to give exceptions for specific websites to allow ads from them, you could do that out here under manage exceptions section. Put that out here, or remove everything and block ads completely. That's totally on you. You could also manage lists out here for different websites or different features from different websites and apps and stuff like that. You could also go ahead and disable this. Don't allow even acceptable ads. Okay, you could also go ahead and block trackers by enabling this, and you could manage exceptions for trackers from specific websites or application, or manage lists out here. So I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.